What's happening? Pimps, players, and fellas, and big dogs. It's February 13th, 7:47. Oh no. There we go. It's supposed to snow like a foot today. The weather report said last night it was 10 to 12. Now it's like 12 to 13. I think it's probably about 32 to 33 degrees. And I have the next couple days off till Monday at least, so I think I'm gonna stay here at Baker, and then tomorrow it's supposed to snow another 4 or 5 inches here at Baker. But I think I'm gonna go to Stevens Pass because I have a bunch of friends that are going to Stevens Pass on Saturday and Sunday. So I think today I'm by myself, but I think today is my solo day where I kind of just shred Mount Baker, and then tomorrow and Sunday I'll be at Stevens Pass. So that'll be sick. But I just wanted to take a second, because it's President's Week this weekend, or this weekend is President's Weekend, but I want to thank my dad for getting me into snowboarding. I forget how old I was. I was probably 7 or 8 years old, but he took me up snowboarding in Mount Shasta, because we're from Northern California. That's where I grew up, and I was like thinking about it. I was like, I have to snowboard this weekend, because this is like the weekend that I'd always go with my dad. So I thought that was kind of cool. I was like, I have to go. But learn how to snowboard. Well, I only go for like 2 or 3 days when I was growing up, because that's what we do. We'd go up for President's Week, Mount Shasta, and then we'd get like 2 or 3 days of snowboarding in, and then I wouldn't do it again for like a year. And then I did that till I was probably like 14 or 15, and then once I was like 18, I stopped snowboarding for a while because I was in some places that didn't have snow to snowboard. And then I moved into Washington, and then I was like, dude, I forgot that we could snowboard. It's an option. So here we are. So thanks to my dad for getting me into snowboarding. I went skiing with my mom once or twice on the East Coast. That was fun too, but a big part was my dad, so thanks. And in other news, I got a Dakine, smaller backpack. It's got some avalanche gear. I picked the avalanche gear up off of Backcountry. And I've got my shovel, my stick, and the tracker, BCA tracker. It's the 4th one. It's the newest one that they have. I don't know if I'll use it today because I don't have any friends that are here with me, and I don't really know anybody that. I mean, I have friends that go out into the backcountry, they'll hike up on top of 5 and 8, then go on the arm. But I don't have anybody that I know that's here today. I don't feel like asking some strangers if I could go hike up with them today. Although they would say yes because everybody here is super friendly. I brought it just in case I met somebody, but I'm sitting at the top of the lodges right now, and I'm just gonna hop on. I think one is behind me. I'm gonna take one up to the top, and that's where we're starting the day. But I do have avalanche gear and a backpack, so in the future, hopefully I could get a video where I hike out on the arm and snowboard down in to the lower lodges. That'd be sick. From kind of paying attention, so I came up chair 1, chair 7's at the bottom, chair 1 is the upper lodge. But it looks like over here, this has happened before, where everybody's like over there waiting for the snow to be good over there, but it looks like this side of the mountain on like chairs 7, 8 are closed right now, but the top 5 looks pretty good. The powder over here is looking a lot more powdery than the canyon, because that was pretty icy until I got to that canyon part, obviously. Also, my battery's probably gonna die on this next run, so I'll have to solve that problem shortly. Visibility went from low to almost 0. I was heels for so long. My legs cooked. Oh. That run was really good. I think tomorrow, I won't be here, fortunately, but tomorrow that run, the canyon, and like just to the left side of the canyon, we're gonna be phenomenal. I don't know why I'm telling you, it doesn't actually make any sense. Maybe somebody out there in the World Wide Web will see this and be like, yeah dude, February 14th, Valentine's Day, I was snowboarding because I'm a single loser, and you were right. The bowl and the canyon and everything was great. And I'd be like, thanks for leaving that comment, dude. What I'm gonna do, I want to go in the canyon since it's been snowing for a little bit, see if that's any better. That was the first run that I did this morning. It was pretty icy. It was kind of chopped, but the last run was really fun. Let's see where that takes us. That's not snow. Lesson learned the hard way.